Okay guys, we're about to leave. It is exactly 6:14 a.m. Our ETA right now I think is 11:30. Our check-in isn't until 3, but we're gonna try to see if we can find a room available around 1ish. Oh wait, it's also my birthday, by the way. Happy birthday! I'm 19 today, guys. I don't think I've ever been this excited for a birthday in a while. A couple years actually. But yeah, our vacation starts now.
I figured it out why she's the talk of the town. She watches your mouth when she knows he's not around. Never trouble getting what she needs.
Swipe left, swipe right, just another night. Profiles in my sight, but it don't feel right. It just didn't feel right, baby. It just doesn't feel right. Faces in a line, wasting all my time. Want to find the light.
We just found out that the meet and greet for tomorrow for KCON is not behind a glass, so you actually get to like see them in HD. Dude, I'm nervous.
Oh yeah, you never met them, huh?
No, she's met P1 Harmony twice. Oh, once. And I've never seen them or met them, and I'm scared. And Tuck's my bias.
So you already know.
Look, I'm shaking, bro. I'm not even kidding.
Lost in this fight, wanna find my groove.
Okay, guys, we're ready and we're on our way now. I'm actually really hungry and my head hurts. So this is my outfit. I changed last minute. I did try the blue ones though, the blue contacts. We need to go now because it's getting late. Oh yeah, this is her outfit. She's so cute. We were looking for parking for literally like 10 minutes straight, I think. But now we finally found one. I don't think we've been to the Grove in like 5 years, I think.
I think we came when we were like 12. Well,
yeah, we were like really young, so we don't really remember what it looks like.
When I was
and I know this is very basic, you know, the Grove. But we're from Arizona, so you can't blame us. We're tourists.
Just get my heart pumping every time that you're here around me. 노래 소리가 흘러나와. 오늘 오래 calling you. I'm always so excited to meet you. 내 향기가 널 먼저 찾아가. Yeah. 눈 감아도 기억나게. 어디 가도 따라갈래. You're so delicate, 거품 속에 숨었네. Oh, you make my heart melt away. You're softy, 구름 같아. 이거 말로 설명 못해. You got me. 저기 멀리 높이 있네 항상 같이.
We're at the Grove and I just remembered.
We just saw Drew Afualo.
Oh yeah, we just saw Drew. How do you say your last name?
Afualo.
Afualo. She
know
has
the
a book.
TikToker.
She has a book coming out tomorrow, and she was signing her books
Yeah.
at the.
At the Barnes and Noble.
Barnes and Noble.
At the Grove. And now we're going to the best attraction of them all.
The bathroom.
Yeah.
I just remembered that we're gonna see P1 Harmony face to face like this tomorrow morning, and I started freaking out again.
Yeah, like I was already gonna shit. You know?
Yeah, actually, we need to find that restroom quick. Actually, because she's actually gonna.
Hey, we're gonna get run over by the trolley. Look.
Have you right here in a basket? Oh my baby, feel like bubblegum. My feel like
I didn't hear it. I did. I really didn't.
Swear I am.
Girl, I was right in front of you. I didn't hear anything. No, when you said the toilet stall, I didn't know it was that tall. That shit was creaking when I got on top of it, bro. I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. I got on it. I thought it was gonna fall. Like my feet were dangling. They were like this.
My drink.
We're too portal for an actual. It's not good.
얘기는 놓아주지 왜 끝까지 같은 데에 두듯 낯선 바다가 내 속 들어와 Yeah 너만 알고 싶은 비밀